Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present my Diploma Project 1, DMFD 2822. The title of my Diploma Project 1 is Pneumatic Foot Press Lifter Jack. Before I continue my presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Zaim bin Muhammad Nasir. Matric number D052110071. My supervisor, Dr. Shariza binti Ismail. Table content of my presentation including 7 parts. The first part, introduction, problem statement, objective, and scope. Second part, literature review. Third part, identifying customer need and house of quality. Part 4, concept sketching and concept scoring. Part 5, 3D design. Part 6, bill of material, and the last part, part 7, conclusion. Introduction to pneumatic foot press lifter jack. What is pneumatic foot press lifter jack? Pneumatic lifter jack are powered by compressed air and are used for lifting and positioning heavy material and machinery effortlessly. Pneumatic power turns kinetic power into mechanical power with the help of compressed air. The compressed air transfers the force for the purpose of lifting, pushing, or moving of heavy component. The problem statement of this project is many of them lifter jack are not designed with foot press. Lifter jack not properly designed will affect human health and safety. Most the human will feel and facing the muscle and backbone pain. Moreover, a device that can easily lift an object with foot press while conserving user energy will also be developed. The criteria should have a simple mechanism, design, and technology. It is possible to save time of moving any object that you want. The project objective of this Diploma project. The first one is energy. To conserve user energy while using pneumatic foot press, lift the jack while lifting an object. The energy is very important to the lifetime in the day. When you have a more energy, you can go far and your life is very productive. And the second, product design. Making suitable and compelling design concept that will entice buyer to purchase the goods. So the project objective is I want to get a nice, complex, and very suitable design for user friendly. And the third objective is high quality. To fabricate high quality pneumatic for practice the jack using the best material and technology. The literature review. There are two main words, two main keywords in this project. The first one is jack and the second one is pneumatic. This is very important for the project because jack and pneumatic is a different word that collaborate to making foot press pneumatic lifter jack. For the jack, the Oxford English Dictionary first attests the term jack in 1679, referring to an engine employed for the removing and commodious putting of larger timber. It is defined as machine generally portable for lifting heavy weight by force operating from below. Pneumatic Pneumatic technology has been used by humans for thousands of years. It began when primitive hunters first created blowgun to hunt down their prey. Greek mathematician, simply known as the hero of Alexandria, created that would be the first pneumatic tools. In 1600, a German physicist known as Otto von Guericke would invent the first vacuum pump that made of use of pressurized air. Okay, let me identify customer need. From the survey I do, based on the age and the user, the first rank that they want, that the customer need is durability, the quality of being able to last a long time without becoming damaged. The second is weight. The customer need weight much less than the other similar product. And the third is size. Customer need much small compared other product, compact and easy to keep. Okay, this is section of halves of quality. So we can see the overall of HOQ, halves of quality looks. So in this column, we can see the interior and this specification, and this column is material of the product. So at the base of this table, you can see the graph of each element. House of quality create to identifying and maintaining the voice of the customer. Benefit of building a house of quality. The first one, a customer need and requirement are established. Identifying customer need and requirement, then ensuring they are achieved. Lead to customer certification and loyalty. Improving a company understanding of its customer. And last, lead to better customer utilization, overall sales, and share of a wallet. Okay, this is concept sketching. There are three concept sketching that I create, create and sketch. The first one, the first design, it's look a big and difficult to handle. Mostly this design used for industrial, and of course, this way of this lifter are quite heavy. And this is second concept and this second sketch I make and create. The shapes look like a bottle, so this cylinder piston, and this is you can look foot press pump. So for this design, we need extender to lift an object because the top of this design not create a plate or base for lifting the big object or other object. But this design quite easy to carry because the small shape and compact. so it may user friendly and practically to use. And the last one of the sketching and of the concept sketching, this design kit with 4 leg to make a perfect suitability and sure it's come with foot press pump with valve switching. This pattern make for the lightweight. The material using is very lightweight, and then this foot press pneumatic lifts the chair is easily lifting an object within 3 or 4 foot press. It will up the cylinder, pneumatic cylinder, and the object will lifting. And of course, the design is very practically to use as the second design. Concept scoring, as you can see at the previous concept sketching and the explanation, you can see it's very quite similar and very quite difficult to choose. So I made concept scoring to choose the highest rank of the score. Okay, there are two concepts that I choose, design B and design C. I put a selection criteria, the weight, rating, weight score, rating, and weight score for the boots design. The first criteria I look is time saving. Second, cost of production. The third, easy to use. Four, high performance. Next is high ability, save energy, size, weight, and material. After calculate the total score, design C is more than design B, the 3.91 more than design B. The rank, of course, design B will lead because the biggest value of this total score. And position to continue to develop its design C. Okay, to more explain concept scoring, weightage ranking method of the measurement criteria when just a small number of options are being considered. So the keyword is a small number of options are being considered when the two design are quite similar and difficult to choose. The most crucial rates for each criterion will provide first. The total score for any design is the sum of its weight score. Okay, this is a 3D design that I made. So you can see the side view. This is cylinder. This is a base plate to place the object, and this is cylinder, pneumatic cylinder, and this is a frame for this top button from the top view, and the last one 3D view. You can see like a shape. Okay, based on the project, the third design I chose, the material that I listing, there are there are six material that can provide in the product. The first one, supporting frame, that made from aluminium. The quantity I want is 1. The second part is nut and bolt. The material, alloy, carbon steel. The quantity I want is 20 because nut and bolt used to combine the the other combine the all of the object and the part of phlegmatic footprint strategy. And of course, the main part of the lister jack phlegmatic is phlegmatic piston that created from aluminium. Because D is one. For switching valve bronze or brass, that is one. A pump made from stainless steel, because it is one. And base frame is aluminum, because the DNA is one. The conclusion that I can make from this project, I learned how to design a product with many advantages over disadvantage. We believe that this is the best method, material, and design to create this product. This taught us how to be innovative and creative with things found all around us, as well as to push ourselves to the limit, to not limit ourselves when it's come to innovation to produce a better and more advanced way of life for the society for the future. This project has also taught us discipline and teamwork in order to complete it. Okay, that's all from me. Let's work. Thank you.